Hello guys, welcome to CloudPreneur and thanks for watching my video. This is my first video to introduce to you what CloudPreneur is all about. Before I dive into it, I would like to talk a little bit about myself. So welcome once again to CloudPreneur. My name is Gabriel Taiwo Olaleye. I'm a cloud engineer and I'm also an AWS community builder. This is CloudPreneur, where we have solution in the cloud. A little bit about me before we dive into what CloudPreneur is all about. I've got a bachelor's degree in chemistry, a master's degree in pharmaceutical science, and I'm AWS certified both as a cloud practitioner and a solution architect associate. I also have a certification on Azure fundamentals, and in 2019 I was able to be one of the scholars of Google Africa. In 2021, I was a recipient of the Bertelsmann Scholarship, and also in the same year, I received the Black in Technology Scholarship. Welcome to CloudPreneur, where we have solutions in the cloud. Let's dive into what CloudPreneur is all about. CloudPreneur is a platform which is designed to help individuals starting or you're transiting into the cloud technology. It is also a platform whereby we're going to show you how you can become an entrepreneur leveraging the cloud technology. Our objective on this platform is to show you how to get started with cloud technology, whether you're starting as a newbie in IT or you've been in IT for years and you're transiting into the cloud. So on this platform, we'll show you how you can get started with cloud technology. And number two, we'll show you how to create projects using all cloud platform, AWS, Azure, GCP, Oracle. We'll show you how to create projects so that you can have something to show to your potential employers, or if you want to create your own portfolio as a cloud engineer, this is the platform for you, whereby you can have or see a lot of projects that I'll be doing, that I'll be working on, and together you can also work with us. And thirdly, we'll be showing you services you can render to make money using the cloud platform. Yes, using the cloud platform you can make money. So you'll be showing you services that you can render, maybe as a cloud practitioner, as a cloud architect, as a DevOps engineer. We'll be working on projects and we'll be showing you services that you can leverage to make money using the cloud. And also we'll be collaborating with people on projects. So if you want to work on any project, this is a platform for you. You come here, then we can collaborate together and work on projects together. And also we'll be giving you tips on how to pass your cloud exams. Yes, it's good to get certified while you're getting all the knowledge, so we'll be giving you tips on how to pass your exams. And lastly, we'll be giving out free exam vouchers. Yes, we'll be giving out free exam vouchers and swags for people. If you're excited for what is to come, please subscribe to this channel, subscribe to CloudPreneur, and let us make this happen. Welcome once again and thank you. And yes, if you're excited for what is to come, please like and subscribe to my channel. It's CloudPreneur, where we have solutions in the cloud. Thank you and see you on the next video.